remove ambiguity. How to remove the ambiguity? For removing the ambiguity, there is no as such standard rule. Means no as such formula. First do this, second do this, third do this. There is no specific method to remove the ambiguity. So we are removing the ambiguity with the help of our some logic. So as we know, the TOC is all about the logic, assumptions. So we'll try to remove the ambiguity with the help of some logic. But that logic may change according to the grammar. So for some ambiguous grammar, we may use some other logic. For another grammar, we may use some another logic. So for this example, how to remove the ambiguity? Simple way of removing the ambiguity is use another variable, use extra variable, extra variable. So we'll use some extra variable. We see that that extra variable should not have two different productions, similar productions, two different similar productions. So that take care we have to take. Otherwise, that grammar will again become the ambiguous grammar. So while we are taking the extra symbol, extra variable, we will take care that that extra symbol will remove the ambiguity. Remove the ambiguity. So how to remove this ambiguity with the help of some extra variable? So if we are saying E produces E plus E or A or B, this is suppose grammar. So we will use like this. We will write the same. Okay. So this is the one and the same thing. We can write on the same line or we can distribute on into the multiple lines. So E tends to E plus E, E produces A or B. This is my grammar, this is my given grammar. Now I can use the extra variable. So how I will reduce? So E produces E plus E. So what I will do? E produces E plus one extra variable I am taking as a T. So T is my another variable or T. This extra variable I am taking T and T. Okay. So now this T, what I am adding, that should not have again the plus symbol, because if E plus T, so T, I will try to reduce the ambiguity. Means again it should not generate the similar production. It should not generate the similar production. So I will use A or B. So every time when E will replace this E with E plus T, and this T will replace with A or B. Because here what is happening? So I can replace this E with A and this E with A plus E, E plus E, E plus E. So in second, this E, in second, and this E, I'm expanding with E plus E. So E, I'm having two different similar productions. So I'm using here again here. So that is creating the ambiguity. So we are trying to reduce that ambiguity by adding some extra variable. So E produces E plus E. So E produces E plus T symbol. I'm replacing this second E with some new variable called as T or T. And this T, A or B. So this is what you are removing the ambiguity. Now we'll check really these two productions, these new productions will generate the single tree for this A plus B plus A. Because what is our task? This new grammar should produce only a single parse tree. Okay. So now we'll just try to draw the parse tree with the help of this. E produces E plus T or T. E produces A or B. Okay. So as we know, starting symbol is always the root symbol. So what string we want? A plus B plus A. So this E I can replace with E plus T. E plus T. E plus T. Okay. Now This E, I can replace this E plus T or T. Okay. This production I can use or this production I can use. So if I'm using this first production, E plus T. If I'm using this first production, E plus T. Okay. Now I want this A plus B plus A. So this E, whether this E will generate this A, oh, sorry, this is T. This is T. E plus T or T, and T produces A plus B. So this E is not going to generate the A or B. So E we will replace with this T, so that we will get A. So E will replace with T with replace with A. Okay. This T, yes, I can replace with B. This T I can replace with A. I can replace with A. This T I can replace with B. Okay. So yes, I am getting this string A plus B plus A plus B plus A. So this is the new pass tree with the help of the removed ambiguity. Now we'll check whether the other kind of replacement use of productions we can use for generating the same string. So if I am starting with E, okay, so I want A plus B plus A. So this E will be replaced with E plus T. E plus T. Okay. Now this E, or here it is a T. Here it is a T. So this cannot be expanded because this T will be get replaced with A or B. So I cannot expand this T. T is a directly terminal. I can use A or B terminals. So I want A, so I will generate it with A. This is not expandable. This is not expandable. So I have to expand the only this left hand side, that is the E. So we will not get the another tree, pass tree for the same string. Getting? So that's why this adding this new variable, and this new variable I am just giving to the terminals. I am not again having the T equal to T plus T or E plus T. No. So it is directly with the A or B. So it will generate only the same string. So this is the example of the ambiguity and how to remove the ambiguity. As I said, there is no as such standard method of removing the ambiguity. Here we are using with the help of the extra variable. We are removing the ambiguity. And after removing the ambiguity, we'll see that yes, only a single tree is available. You can check by your own key to generate this A plus B plus A with these two productions. So whether you are able to generate the two trees. So if you are able to generate, yes, we are missing something here, but no, we will not able to draw the two pass tree with the help of these two productions. So this is what the ambiguity is, and the removing the ambiguity. So what is the ambiguity? Ambiguous grammar, if for a same string with the help of the same production, if we have the two different pass tree, so more than one pass tree, two different pass tree, instead of we say more than one pass tree, that time that grammar is called as the ambiguous grammar. So how to remove the ambiguity with the help of the extra variable. So E tends to E plus E, E tends to A or B. So we have replaced this second E from this with the another new variable, and that new with the help of the new variable